Hello, Captain Mumu here. Today I am at Manchester Piccadilly train station again. Let's press the call button for the lift. Here it is. Last time I went in there, this lift really stank, but it's been cleaned up. Doors closing, please mind the doors. It says answer elevators 2 times there for some reason. Yep. It's got a fan as well. Oh my god, them brakes are squeaking. For some reason it says it's floor ground. Here we are. This is the station level for Metrolink. Anyway, let's get back in. Oops. Right, we'll go to floor 1, then we'll finish the video. There's a door open. It says doors closing, please mind the doors. It usually says please mind the doors. Doors closing. First floor. Flashes. For some reason red always comes out as orange on this. Right, so we can come out of this lift, and what I remember is that if we look all the way over there, there's yet another lift. Oh, and can we take that lift back up to 2? No. Okay, we'll take this lift back up to 2.
Doors closing.
Look at that. I like that indicator. The guy's got an animated indicator. Been lots of lifts with animated indicators recently, but this has been cleaned up. This used to smell absolutely horrible from last time I went in it. Now remember that other lift that was there, but it's not there anymore. And I really want to record it, but unfortunately I can't. So that's been Captain Mumu in the answer lift here. So bye.